Hi, hello, and welcome to all. In this video, I'm just going to share those things which boys are attracted to if girls do. But before entering into our today's topic somewhat deeply, I want to share one quick to you as usual. The things which we are doing very wrongly is we all are chasing the temporary happiness in our life. It will make you happy just for 5 minutes or 1 day or 1 hour, but just don't chase those things. It will give you a temporary happiness. Then why are you chasing those things? Just chase those things which will give you a permanent happiness, and be with those things which give you permanent happiness. Then only your life will be happy, joyful, and colorful. Okay, now we can enter into our today's topic. The first thing which boys are attracted to is the boys like a girl who is very free type, because if you're very free type and if you understand each and everything which he is trying to say to you, then surely that boy will use to share each and everything. He used to share all his dark secrets which had happened in his life, and he will feel so free to share each and everything which has happened and happening in his life. So there won't be any secret in between you, and you can lead a happy life together. And then the second thing is boys like a girl who is somewhat possessive to him, because if you're possessive, then he will feel that you're loving him a lot, because if you love truly only, then those possessiveness will occur in your love. So if you are possessive with that boy, then he will feel so happy for that, and he will do those things which you don't he won't do those things which you don't like. And then the third thing is boys like a girl who is somewhat childish and whose character is somewhat childish. But if you show your childish character to some other men, then those guys will be somewhat so irritated, because he love to be with you and you should be childish only to him. He will expect those things only. He will expect that you should be childish only to him. So don't express your childish character to others at all. Don't express your childish character to other men and guys. Just try to express it only to your guy, and that will keep him somewhat in a comfortable zone with you, and he will feel somewhat happy, and he will also trust you a lot. And then the fourth thing is so more attracted to those girls who just immediately react to those things which he used to say to her, and he also expect each and everything to her, and also he expect that she should just obey my words, and she should just be mine, and she should always be mine, and she should obey my words, and she should do all those things which I say to her. But you may ask one thing, that why I should do each and everything which he say to me? The guy who loves you will just try to protect you. He will just try to protect you, and he will just try to keep you safe from the society. So because of that reason only, he will use to say something to do. So if you start doing those things, then he will feel somewhat protective too, and also he will try to protect you a lot, and he will love you a lot. So try to obey the words and try to just do those things which your guys say to you. And then the fifth thing is he just love the girls who just respect his family members, and mainly his father, mom, and sister, because that is the first word of those boys. So they just want to they just expect the girl to just respect his parents and his brothers and siblings. So if you start respecting them, then that boy will start loving you a lot, and one respective feel will increase towards you in his mind. And then the sixth fact is guys just fall in love with those girls who knows to cook well. We may hear more and more words from our grandmas and moms that try to just cook well, because it will help you to be attached with your partner. But it is absolutely true, because we all are running behind the money just to eat a good food. We are living in this world to eat a good food. We are chasing everything just to eat a good food in morning, lunch, and then in dinner too. So if you prepare a delicious dinner, breakfast, and lunch to him, and if you serve those things to him, then this is the most beautiful and best thing to do if you want to grab the attraction of any boys. And then the seventh fact is boldness. Boys are attracted to those girls who is very bold, because if a girl is very bold, then she will face all the problems and she won't be dependent, and she won't depend on others for her sake and for her life. So boys are attracted to those girls because they are just being bold and they can solve each and every problem which comes into their life. So they can manage the family also too well, and they can face each and every problem which enters into their family. So boys are attracted to those girls who is very bold. And then the eighth thing is guys like small fights if girls do to him, because those small little tiny cute fights are occurring just because of those love, possessiveness and etc., like caring and etc. So if you just fight with him for small reasons, just for like in a cute manner, then boys are so attracted to those things and they will feel that you are loving him a lot. And then the ninth thing is eye contact. Boys are very attracted to eye contact. If you are in a crowd and if your guy is in one corner and if you are in another corner, and while you are contacting each other with your eyes, means that is the fabulous thing in this world, because in that crowd you may see more and more beautiful guy than your guy, but you are not seeing those guys at all, you are just seeing your guy's eye. So it will make him so comfortable and the love will increase towards you in his heart. And then we now came to the end of this video. The 10th fact is caring. The boys are just attracted to those girls who is very caring towards him. They won't expect any expensive gifts and they won't expect any money and blah blah, nothing. They just need the caring, their love and those things only. So if you are caring and if you are loving him a lot, then that is the biggest gift in his world, and he will start loving you a lot too, and your love will keep you so happy. You both will be so happy, and because of that your family too will be happy. So just start loving a guy who loves you a lot and be caring. Just show your caringness to him. It will make him so comfortable and it will make him to love you a lot. Okay viewers, I think you all like this video and the information which I said in this video, and if any guy is watching this video, just let your comments in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then,